Welcome, everyone. Let's dive into how to open a bank account in Dubai, UAE. Not just any account, but the ins and outs of the process, from types of accounts to necessary docs and top banks.
Yep, right. So what's the first thing to consider when choosing an account in Dubai?
Well, there are several types. Current accounts for daily transactions, fixed deposit accounts that lock in a lump sum for a set period for higher interest, joint accounts for sharing finances, savings accounts, and even corporate and offshore accounts tailored for businesses, not to mention Sharia-compliant Islamic bank accounts.
Mm-hmm. That covers a lot, huh? So are there any notable banks you want to highlight?
Absolutely, the scene here is robust. You've got Emirates NBD, Dubai's largest, then Dubai Islamic Bank, Mashreq Bank, First Abu Dhabi Bank, and a few others like RAK Bank and HSBC UAE. Each bank has its own perks, like online banking features and special options for non-residents and expats.
Right. Speaking of non-residents, isn't it tricky for them? I mean, how do their requirements differ?
Yeah, for non-residents, it's a bit more complex. They typically need a valid passport, a recent utility bill or bank statement from back home, and proof regarding visa or residency status. Plus, sometimes they face extra steps like higher minimum balances or restricted online features.
That makes sense, yes. And what about residents? They must have it simpler, right?
Exactly. Residents need a passport copy, Emirates ID, a valid UAE residency visa, plus something like a tenancy contract or utility bill, sometimes recent bank statements, and an employment proof if it's for a salary account. It's like ensuring you're legit in the local
Sure
system.
thing. Nice. Now, what about business accounts, particularly for companies in free zones?
Ah, good point. For business accounts, especially those in free zones, companies need a trade license, a memorandum of association, tenancy contracts, and legal establishment proof, essentially documents that validate the company's operations. And this process can take around 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the bank.
Interesting. I've seen some argue that the process might be too lengthy for busy entrepreneurs. Don't you think some banks could improve efficiency?
I get that point, and honestly, while many banks strive for efficiency, varying compliance checks do inevitably slow things down. It's a fair critique. Maybe a little more streamlining could help.
Absolutely. Besides the paperwork, what advantages does having a Dubai bank account offer?
Well, it's a gateway. For residents, it simplifies daily financial operations like salary deposits, bill payments, and even builds credit history. For business folks, it streamlines transactions, eases payroll management, and opens access to loans. Plus, Dubai's banking system is renowned for its security, tech-savvy online banking, and tax-free benefits, which are a huge
Right on.
draw.
And I guess all this ties into why Dubai is such a financial hub now globally, isn't it?
Exactly. Dubai is among the top international financial centers, thanks to its stable regulations, currency freedom, and, yeah, robust customer protections. It's a strategic move to open an account for anyone living, working, or investing here.
Definitely. So, for someone considering opening an account, what's the final takeaway?
The key is to choose the right type of account, personal or business. Gather all your documents, do your research on the banks, and then, whether you go online or in person, follow through with the process. And don't forget, if the paperwork overwhelms you, expert help is available to make it hassle-free.
Yep, sounds like solid advice. Thanks for breaking it down so clearly. It's like a roadmap for banking success in Dubai.